Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will be explaining how you can convert an intraday position into an NRML order. Now I have to inform you that many people have actually asked me how you can convert an intraday position to a to a positional delivery position. So in mobile, basically the question was related completely in mobiles. So here is the answer with demo. So today is a mock trading day, so please do not check any of my positions, it's not relevant. I have made some positions too. So all you have to do here is you have to go to positions, and if you click on bank nifty, I'm sorry, any position, go to positions and then click on details. Once you click on details, you will get the option of convert position. You can click on convert NRML to MIS or MIS to MIS to NRML, that is delivery position from the positions. Now here I have to warn you one important thing. um, you cannot convert cover orders or bracket orders, so you have to take a big decision whenever you are taking a position intraday, whether it is a cover order or bracket order. If you are using any of these tools, that means it will be automatically squared off, and you would not be in a position to convert it into an RML. That means you have to actually exit that position and take a new position, so you would have to book that losses there. So that is very very important for you to understand completely. So this is the place where you actually convert it. So go to positions, let me go back, go to positions, click on details, and there you will get this option of convert position. So that's exactly the position where you can actually convert an order from intraday order to delivery or delivery to intraday, either ways. All right, so hope this small video helps you in identifying it, how to do this in mobiles. Since this was a question asked a few weeks ago, I thought of creating a quick video on this so that you understand this. Thank you, and I will see you again on my next video.